channel. I'm your host, IK, and this is my lovely co-host, Dr. Ross.
Buongiorno.
Today we're going to get straight into the She's Hot contest because we have a double whammy for you guys today. We have two winners, that's right.
That's
Our
right.
first winner is Miss Pretty Lunell.
Congratulations.
That's right, congratulations. We're great friends with Miss Pretty Lunell, and she is also a comedian and a prolific actress.
That's right. Miss Pretty Lunell is a fantastic actress, like IK was saying. Right now, she's on tour with Mr. Cat Williams, and it seems like they're really getting down. They're having a good time. We saw some of their videos. We're going to put it right here because their comedy jokes have been hilarious. But Miss Lunell is always really profound and really prolific every single time that you meet her, if you ever get the chance to. And all the interviews that she goes on, she really carries herself well. And that's why, Miss Pretty Lunell, we have made you the winner of our She's Hot contest for today. Congratulations, Miss Pretty Lunell.
That's right, congratulations. And we're going to get into our second winner for the She's Hot contest, who is Miss Erica Jane.
Congratulations to Miss Erica Jane.
Now, you may have seen Miss Erica Jane for her singing career or on the Real Housewives series.
Of Beverly Hills.
That's right, Beverly Hills. But Miss Erica Jane is also professionally known as Erica Giardi, and she's an American singer, television personality, and an actress. And Dr. Ross, she is a 10 out of 10.
That's right. Or you also might know Miss Erica Jane from the scandal that she's having happen right now, where allegedly she married a billionaire, and it turns out now she's trying to divorce him because she didn't know that there was some messy business underneath the waters with his financial issues. But all I want to say is
scandalous and ruthless.
Exactly.
But both of these winners for the She's Hot contest for today are 10 out of 10.
That's right.
Congratulations, Miss Pretty Lunell, and congratulations, Miss Erica Jane.
Congratulations.
We're going to get off with our first hot topic, which is with Brad and Jennifer Aniston. So they're saying that Brad has a dark side where he scares women away, and Jennifer Aniston is stuck in the past.
We know what this is going to add up to, IK. It's the same thing we've been saying since the beginning of Rosengold.
You're absolutely right on that, Dr. Ross. Brad Pitt and Jennifer Aniston need help from the international book.
Crazy. It's live. We the champions. You heard
Michael Jackson.
We live.
Judge Judy. What are your thoughts on Judge Judy?
I think Miss Judge Judy needs to retire. Personally, every single time on her show, she seems a little angry. So we're going to have to go into our next hot topic. For our next hot topic, we know Scott Disick we all saw that he recently got another girlfriend besides the one that we called our She's Hot winner last week. And we're going to put the photo right here. And all of a sudden, Amelia Hamlet shows up with her new boyfriend too. All at the same time. What are your thoughts, IK?
She can do better. Let's get into our next hot topic for today with Travis Barker and Kourtney Kardashian with their wedding countdown. Now, Dr. Ross, sources say that the wedding will be $15 million and last 5 days. What are your thoughts on this, Dr. Ross?
Personally, I feel like what we said in the last Rosengolds is they're probably already married and they probably already have a kid on the way, but they're just trying to slowly reel it in before Scott kicks a hole through the TV. Now let's get into our next hot topic. We have the She's Hot ladies, but not really She's Hots because we have our winners, but these are all the ladies that are looking good on the red carpet. So let's go down the list for them, IK, and we'll also put the pictures on the side of the screen too. So for our first lady, we have Miss Katherine Newton. What do you think, IK?
It's going to be a thumbs... It's going to be a 50-50 for me, Dr. Ross, but what are your thoughts?
I feel like the dress could have been well constructed a little bit better, but maybe that's putting more money into it. Our next one is Miss Blake Lively. What are your thoughts, IK?
I think Blake Lively looks nice. The dress is just a little bit too glittered out.
That's right. I thought Miss Blake Lively did her hair correctly. She looked nice, but we all know Ryan Reynolds said that he dyed her hair for this one. On to our next one, Jessica Chastain.
Jessica Chastain really got rigged up for this one, and she looks on her A game.
She looks unrecognizable to me, but it's a thumbs up for me because she looks good. On to our next one is Emma Chamberlain.
This is going to be a thumbs down for me, Dr. Ross, but what are your thoughts?
YouTube sensation. On to our next one is Miss Keke Palmer.
It could have been good, but it's a thumbs down for me.
It's the poodle. That's what it is. And on to our next one is the scandalous Miss Vanessa Hudgens. High School Musical.
You know, Dr. Ross, Vanessa Hudgens, I'll give her a thumbs up for this one.
She looks good.
She puts the work into the outfit.
She really does. Just Vanessa Hudgens being in the dress makes it better. So on to our next one is Miss Diana Kruger. I'm going to throw a thumbs down for this one. The hairstyle could have been a little bit different.
It's a little more 50s, so thumbs down for me.
On to our next one is Miss Rosamund Pike. Hopefully I pronounced that correctly. She was in the James Bond and with the Madonna. So what are your thoughts, IK?
You know, Dr. Ross, it's going to be a thumbs down for me on this one, but what are your thoughts?
I think the red dress was really nice, but her hair could have been cut a little bit differently. On to our last and final two. We have Miss Haley Steinfeld from the movie 17 and from the songs, and also from the movie Dickinson. There you go.
Yes, and she's going to be in the new Hawkeye series.
Oh, well that will be kind of interesting.
But what are your thoughts on her, Dr. Ross?
I think she did look nice. She made it simple and she kept it sleek. It's just a simple black dress, but she did nicely.
Same here. It's a thumbs up.
On to our last and our final one, Miss Anna Taylor-Joy.
Anna Taylor-Joy could have been good, but it's just a bit off for me, so a thumbs down. What are your thoughts?
For me, it's going to be a thumbs up. From the front, they don't show you in this picture, but we'll put it right here. What she does is there's a different pattern of gold on the front, and that looked really, really nicely. But let's close off our hot topics, IK.
We're going to get into our final hot topic for today with Angelina Jolie and her two-way relationship. Now, this is going to be a quick one, but she's with Johnny Lee Miller and The Weeknd.
Just for a weekend.
Dr. Ross, I feel that The Weeknd, that relationship is going to fall through, but she might end up doing something with Johnny Lee Miller. We don't know.
That's right. And I feel like, for me personally, I agree with what you're saying, IK, but maybe Angelina Jolie is just looking for like some temporary companionship. Maybe she doesn't even like those two. Maybe she just needs someone to have some coffee with.
You know what, Dr. Ross, you're right. Never thought of it in this way. But these were all of our hot topics for today, and we'll catch you guys on the next episode. Kylie Jenner, that's for you. And congratulations to our She's Hot winners for today. That is Miss Erica Jane and Miss Pretty Lunel.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Go try yourself some fried turkey at the Cracker Barrel, because that was good today.
That's right. Absolutely delicious. Ciao, Bella. Wait.